Why is crypto down today? June 2nd, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. My expectations continue to be for a rally to $133,000 to $136,000 into the end of this year / beginning of next, says John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn. Journalist. Seed Fadilpašić. Journalist. Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market has seen minor decreases again. The majority of the top 100 coins are down over the past 24 hours, yet the majority of these have seen a near 0.1% drop. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 4.5%, falling to $3.39 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $73.7 billion, the lowest we've seen in weeks. TLDR. Crypto market sees another small decrease. Market sentiment moves into the neutral zone. Bitcoin may see a pullback to as low as $74,500 before another major bull run. Analysts highlight institutional interest in crypto, particularly BTC and ETH. U.S. spot BTC ETFs recorded outflows while spot ETH ETFs saw inflows. The market can go either way now and is sensitive to macroeconomic influences. Crypto winners and losers. While 4 of the top 10 coins per market capitalization are green, only one has a rise of over 0.5%, meaning 3 are practically unchanged. Bitcoin, BTC, is one of these, having appreciated 0.2% to the price of $104,884. Ethereum ETH fell by 1.2% today, the highest among the red coins. It's now trading at $2,494. Just like the green coins, the rest of the red coins are practically unchanged. Tron, TRX, is the category's best performer at the time of writing, having increased by 1% to the price of $0.2714. Of the top 100 coins, about 20 have seen their prices rise over the past day. Flare, FLR, is the biggest gainer in this category. It's up 9.4%, currently trading at $0.01925. On the other side, Bittenzer TAO decreased the most in this category. It's down 7.1% to $406.20. Meanwhile, Tron has recently partnered with Rumble Cloud to provide Tron with data storage infrastructure. Notably, Bitcoin settled over $2.9 trillion on-chain, according to the Glassnode and CME H1 2025 report. Despite the volatility and lower prices, Bitcoin's role as a global settlement layer holds strong with trillions moved on-chain and transactional utility undiminished, it says. BTC may drop to $88,000 before running to $136,000. John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of Ledn, expects to see a significant pullback, with BTC dropping to $88,000 or perhaps even $74,500. That said, he also expects it to start the next run after that and hit new all-time highs. Although an unpopular and somewhat contrarian view, I continue to expect that we are in a short-term topping pattern for Bitcoin as wave I of wave 5 looks to have completed, yellow line on the chart, Glover says. We will likely see a pullback to the $88,000 to $93,000 area as a wave 2 target before the next leg up. This is a corrective move, Glover explains, and it should take us into mid to late summer. Keep in mind that wave I can be completely retraced by wave 2, so a retest of the $74,500 low of wave 4 is not out of the question. But my expectations continue to be for a rally to $133,000 to $136,000 into the end of this year / beginning of next. Furthermore, according to Dom Hars, co-founder of Layer 2 BOB, institutions are increasingly taking notice. The number of publicly listed companies holding BTC in treasuries has increased from 89 in April to 113. This signals that institutional adoption is entering a new phase. Following last year's record-breaking ETF approvals, the question is no longer if institutions will engage with Bitcoin, but how they'll unlock its full potential, Har says. We've seen Bitcoin evolve from a fringe asset for tech-savvy retail investors into the darling of global institutions. But what's most exciting is what comes next, the utility phase of Bitcoin. Moreover, Hars argues that Bitcoin DeFi is at the heart of this shift. It allows holders of all sizes to deploy BTC into protocols that generate yield and unlock new levels of utility. Institutions won't just want to hold Bitcoin, they'll want to put it to work. And as they do, they'll accelerate the development of the Bitcoin DeFi technology that turns this next chapter into reality, the exec says. Levels and events to watch next. BTC currently trades at $104,884, which is a decrease from $105,816 seen on Friday and the intraday high of $105.804. It's also down 6.2% from the all-time high of $111,814 hit 10 days ago. The coin has largely been trading around the $105,000 level over the last few hours. However, it broke several support levels over the past several days. Moreover, the Fear and Greed Index keeps falling. It has entered the neutral territory, now standing at 57. The drop out of the extreme greed indicates that the market sentiment has turned towards fear, fueled by several consecutive days of falling prices. Meanwhile, on May 30th, US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw a significant net outflow of $616.22 million. Not even BlackRock saw inflows today, recording a net outflow of $430.82 million. On the other hand, US ETH spot ETFs saw inflows again, this time $70.24 million. The entirety of this amount comes from BlackRock. However, as Dom Hars indicated above, institutional investors are still pushing strong. Japanese firm MetaPlanet bought an additional 1,088 BTC at an average price of $108,600 per coin. In total, it has spent some $118 million on acquiring BTC, now holding 8,888 BTC. Furthermore, SharpLink Gaming announced a $48 million investment in Ethereum. The team plans to raise $425 million in a private round and allocate most of the funds to an ETH treasury. Moreover, Paris Saint-Germain confirmed it holds Bitcoin on its balance sheet. With this, it's now a major sports club utilizing BTC as a treasury asset. On the other hand, regulatory hurdles persist. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has challenged the structure of the proposed Solana and Ether-staked exchange-traded funds (ETFs). The regulator argues that the products may not qualify as ETFs under current regulations. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market saw a decrease while the stock market saw a mixed picture. The S&P 500 has decreased by 0.0081% and the Nasdaq 100 is down 0.11%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 0.13%. The stock market reacted well to Nvidia's profits, but the gains were limited nonetheless. The stock market is still affected by trade war fears fueled by U.S. President Donald Trump's constant shifts and threats, making the economic situation highly unstable and uncertain. Is this dip sustainable? The market still seems to be consolidating, and analysts don't see a bearish reversal happening yet. However, fear is creeping into the space and macroeconomic conditions such as interest rates and liquidity can pull prices higher or push them lower. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto Zarkatana unsheathes to reshape DeFi. Incubated by GSR and Polygon Labs. Rich Dad Poor Dad author, Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. Why is crypto down today? May 30th, 2025. Price analysis. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. 3 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Bitcoin News. Why is crypto down today? May 29th, 2025. 4 days ago. By Fadilpašić. Bitcoin News. Why is crypto down today? May 28th, 2025. 5 days ago. By Fadilpašić. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6th, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025, top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. 14 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovic. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024? By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.